Idag har hajen flyttat in hos oss. Akta dig, Oliver.
Okay, don't hold the area like that. Okay, no. That's how you make it go up and down. But if you want it to swim, it has to wag its tail like this.
Okay.
So you go like this. And then it makes the tail move forward a little bit.
Hjälp, den kommer på mig.
See it turning around? No, you have to press what's on the shoulder. Come here. Make it move. Watch, go to the tail.
Ja.
The tail the other way.
Au!
And then one little let's make it down a little bit. Just watch what we're doing. You see how we're making the tail move so it pushes it forward?
Still again, let's say that four. Okay.
Whee!
Other way.
Det är upp till dig. Jag kan nå ditt huvud.
Ja.
Skyline.
Vad är det de sjunger? Skyline, sa du?
Ja.
Hur sjunger han?
Skyline.
Och vad är den andra då med Loreen?
Skyline.
Sjunger hon också Skyline, Loreen? Vad
Nej.
sjunger hon där?
Euphoria.
Going up, up, up.
Up. Euphoria.
Of course, good driving, Oliver.
Euphoria. Nej, inte där.